Hey, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and today I want to take a look at an example from section 5.7. This is on financial models. We're going to be doing a lot of compound interest type questions here. So here's a pretty typical one, and I want to go through the process of identifying the variables and solving the equation. So it says Jerome will be buying a used car for $8,000 in 3 years. How much money should he ask his parents for now so that if he invests it at 8% compounded continuously, he will have enough to buy the car? So this is a compounding continuous problem. So the formula for that is A, and we're going to go over these in just a moment, is equal to P times e to the RT. It's kind of like PERT. So what do each of these stand for? Well, the A stands for the future value. So this is going to be the total value, including both my principal and my interest. The P is going to be my principal. That's the amount not including interest. And then E is our it stands for like 2.7 something. It's our financial irrational number that we use. R, lowercase r, is the rate in decimal form, and T is time, generally in years. So let's kind of go through and identify each one of these. So A, P, even though E is not in a number form, we don't have to identify that because that just represents an irrational number, just like pi does. But we do need to find R, lowercase r, and T. All right, so A, the future value. Well, that's going to be, in this case, $8,000. So that's how much we want to save up. So that's going to be the principal, the amount that we need to ask for from our parents, and it also is including any interest that we get in that 3 years. The principal, well, that's what we don't know, right? Because we need to know how much we're going to ask from our parents. So that's why I put a little question mark there, and that's the variable we're going to be solving for. The rate is 8%, so we're going to put that into decimal form. So just move the decimal 2 places to the left. And the T is time in years, which is just going to be 3. So now that I have everything defined, let's go ahead and plug it in. So this is going to be A, which is 8,000, is equal to P, which I'm trying to find, times E to the R, which is 0.08 times T, which is 3. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and start solving this. This is going to be 8,000 is equal to, once again, P times E. 0.08 times 3 is 0.24. All right, and then I'm going to just e to the 0.24, that's going to be some constant. So I'm going to divide each side by that. So my principal is going to be 8,000 divided by whatever e to the 0.24 is. And let's go ahead and put that in our calculator so we can get, we can round out that to the nearest cent. All right, so that is going to be 8,000 divided by e to the 0.24. So 8,000 divided by, it's second, this e raised to the 0.24. And that should be $6,293 and rounded to 2 cents. So that's how much we're going to ask for our parents, and then in 3 years we will be able to buy that used car. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.